Loading toner in HP LaserJet or LaserJet Pro printers. This video is for most HP LaserJet printers. For instructions specific to your printer, go to support.hp.com. Open the front door and pull out the toner drawer. Or, depending on your printer, open the top cover, scanner assembly, or toner access door. Or press the toner release button, which can be on the left or right side of the printer, to open the toner access door. If toner is installed, grasp the handle on each cartridge and then pull straight up to remove it. To prevent toner transfer or print quality issues, avoid touching the drum on the cartridge. If no toner is installed, remove any packing materials from inside the cartridge area. Grasp both sides of the toner cartridge and then gently rock the toner cartridge back and forth to distribute the toner. Remove any tabs, tape, or clips on the cartridge. Insert the new toner cartridge into its slot in the drawer. Or, depending on your printer, align the new toner cartridge with the tracks inside the printer and push the toner cartridge until it is firmly seated. Push the toner cartridge drawer into the printer and then close the front door. For other printer models, close the top cover, scanner assembly, or toner access door.